guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Kindly hit that subscribe button and join the family. It's all fun here. So in today's video, we're going to be making something really delicious, something very special, an amazingly delicious carrot cake. And as the Christmas season is coming, it's really nice for you to prepare delicious and unique meals for your guests, family, and friends will be coming around. So that is the reason why I'm really dishing out all these amazing recipes for you guys. So we're going to start with our dry ingredients right now. And I have 1.5 cup of flour, and we're just going to sieve that in. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. So if you want to see more of my videos or some of my interesting videos, you can follow me right there. All the links will be in the description box. Sieve in your flour, and I'm using the all-purpose flour for this. 2 teaspoons of our baking powder. We're going with our baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon of our baking soda will go in here. All the measurements will also be in the description box. Now I'm going to go in with 2.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. It's very, very important for carrot cake. Ground ginger powder. We're going to add some nutmeg. A pinch of salt. This is our dry ingredient. Now you're going to make sure that you mix this properly. Now that our dry ingredients are properly mixed, we're going to combine our wet ingredients. So this is the bowl we would use for this. Some brown sugar, some olive oil will go in here, 1/2 cup of yogurt, vanilla extract, two eggs, now we're going to mix this together very well. Mix this thoroughly. Make sure that everything is well combined. And once you've mixed this properly, we're going to add our dry ingredients into this. And we're just going to mix gently. Remember not to overmix. Flour. And you're going to put in carrots, shredded carrots. I used about 2 medium-sized shredded carrots. Some roughly crushed walnuts. Walnuts and carrots, they always go, like they always match. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that in here. And now we are going to mix this together. Now that we have the mixture, we're going to pour this into our buttered pan and we're going to bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. So this is our buttered pan. I'm just going to pour in the mixture in here. Take away any air bubbles. Put some crushed walnuts on top and some grated carrots. And this goes straight into the oven. Now we're going to have a slice of our carrot cake. One thing I really love about this cake is, the texture. It's moist, it's not hard, it's perfect for the festive season. I really love the crunchiness inside the cake. Just take a look at that beauty. Subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.